Did you know America accidentally gave China its entire space program? In the 1940s, a brilliant scientist named Qian Shuizhen was building rockets for America. He helped start NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and designed missiles that helped win World War II. He had top secret clearance and was totally loyal to America. But then the McCarthy era happened. People were scared of communists everywhere. Even though Qian had done nothing wrong, they accused him of being a spy. They locked him up for 5 whole years, even though he wasn't guilty of anything. Finally, in 1955, America got tired of holding him and shipped him off to China. Big mistake. Chen took all his rocket knowledge with him. He became the father of China's space program. Using everything he learned in America, he built the missiles and satellites that made China a superpower. Experts call this one of the worst security mistakes in American history. America literally trained their future rival and then handed him over on a silver platter.